we could bring this down tonight, tomorrow, if we put down the fault lines of division, put down the limitations of rigid, unquestioning belief, and realize that we together are unstoppable and uncontrollable. And what they want, and this is why this period is so crucial, is to connect the human brain, mind, body to artificial intelligence, because artificial intelligence would never again question authority or come to the conclusion that, hold on, the power they have is only the power we've given them. Those thoughts will not manifest in an AI-controlled mind. That's why we are looking over the precipice now of total human control. That would not generate resistance because it would never think of it. You know, we've really got to get our asses in gear fast, because if we do, then it's over. If we don't, then it's dystopia.